We've all been there, untangling and tripping over hoses, dealing with leaks, damage, and generally feeling like water in the backyard is a chore we could do without. But there is a solution. Hoselink's Retractable Hose Reel has been designed to combat all the frustrations a traditional garden hose can bring, so you can actually enjoy watering. The Hoselink Retractable Hose Reel allows you to water anywhere in the garden with ease, before it tidies itself away. The hose is protected from the elements by this UV stabilised casing, which also keeps the hose tidy and tangle free, offering a much more sustainable and durable solution than your typical garden hose. And unlike most other hose reels on the market, Hoselink has chosen neutral colours and a modern design to better complement or contrast with your outside space. The reel comes in a choice of two colours, charcoal or beige. And two hose sizes, 20 and 30 metres, which are a standard 12 millimetres in internal diameter. Hoselink also offer a 25 metre high flow reel, which has a larger internal hose diameter of 14 millimetres to allow for higher water flow and better pressure. All retractable hose reels come with everything you need to get started, including a bracket and hardware for installation, a 2 metre leader hose to connect to your tap, Hoselink's patented hose fittings guaranteed never to leak or burst off, and an 8-pattern spray gun. The hose fittings form part of Hoselink's unique system designed to save water and keep you dry. The hose end connectors clamp onto your hose via this barb and split ring to ensure they stay put. And unlike traditional click-on hose fittings, each Hoselink fitting has the same face, which all connect with one another using a unique point and twist motion, ensuring a watertight connection that's easily interchangeable. Hoselink has put a lot of thought into how they can make watering even easier for you. So if you look at one end of your hose, you'll see the unique connector with flow control. This fitting allows you to turn the water on and off at your fingertips, so you won't need to head back to the tap when changing accessories. The included 8-pattern spray nozzle has a range of useful settings, from a shower great for hydrating your plants to a powerful jet for cleaning, so watering is truly effortless. The hose inside the reel is spring-loaded, which allows it to be pulled out and retracted safely and slowly back inside. The reel also features a stop anywhere mechanism that automatically holds the hose in place no matter where you are in the garden. When you're done, just give the hose a light tug and walk it back in. The built-in self-layering system neatly coils the hose inside the reel as it retracts, preventing any kinks or tangles. It's as easy as that. While the hose is in use, the pin and bracket design allows the hose reel to pivot up to 180 degrees, so it follows you as you water for a smooth experience and can be tucked neatly against the wall when you're finished. The reel also features 2 carry handles to make it easy to transport if you need to change location or store it away in winter. If you want to know more about installing and getting started with your new Hoselink hose reel, check out this video here. If you're worried about making your neighbours jealous, you can buy one of our padlocks, which just fastens to the bottom of the pin, like so, to keep your hose reel safely in place. And if you don't have a suitable wall space to mount the included bracket onto, there are other mounting options that can be purchased separately, like this fixed ground mount, perfect for concrete, tiles or decking, or this freestanding mounting post that can be secured to the ground with concrete. Changing accessories is easy with Hoselink, so you can build the ultimate watering system to help make backyard jobs much more fun. Happy watering.